Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the watch window feature in Excel. So here you can see from my sales data sheet that I have a list of orders as well as the quantity, price, and the total sales. Now, the next sheet is the financial metrics. And here in the financial metrics, I've been able to perform a number of calculations like sum, average, taking the minimum and the maximum values as well. Now, I want a situation where even if I'm making my calculations here in the sales data sheet, I'm making a number of changes. I'll be able to see the effect on this financial metrics sheet. So to do this, I will be using the watch window feature in Excel. And in order to add the watch window feature in Excel, I'll first come to this, my financial metrics, then come to formula tab, click on this formula tab, then under formula auditing, I'll click on this watch window. So here I'm going to add my watch. I'll add a number of watches here. So the first one that I'll add will be this total revenue. Enter. I'll add another one, which is this average order. Add the highest order. I'll also add the lowest order. So I want to be viewing all this as I make changes in my sales data sheet and see the changes that are going on. So this is useful when you have so many data and you want to be able to track what is going on with ease. So if I come to this, my sales data, you can see that this watch window is still there, and it is specifically for the data that we have in this financial metrics sheet, since it's the one that we added to the watch window. So the first thing that I will do here is to convert this to a table. So I will just do Ctrl+T and then convert it to a table. Now that I've converted it to a table, I want to add data to this table. And as I add the data, I want to see the changes that are going on here. So the first data I want to add is one that is going to change the value for this lowest for the lowest value that we have on the sheet. Okay, that's the minimum value. Currently, the minimum total sales is this 625, but I want to add one that will help us see changes that go on here if we have a value that is lower than this. So I will just enter 109 and I will call this Sky Limited. Bought monitor. They bought 2 monitors for $20. So you can see now that our watch window has shown us that the lowest value is now 40 and no longer the 625 that we had earlier. The average has also changed, as well as the sum. Okay, so if we also try to see what happens when we add a new value that is greater than this 8,000, I will say 110, and I'll call this Orange PLC. And they bought power station. They bought 100 of it, and they bought it for $800 each. So you can see that our highest value has now changed from 8,000 to now 80,000 based on our addition. And this is what the watch window will help us do. Our total has also changed to 97,000, as well as the average value which we have here. And this is just how the watch window helps you as you perform your analysis in Excel. So once you're satisfied with what you have seen and you want to remove these watches, what you will just do is click on any one that you want to remove. For example, if I want to remove this first one, I just click on it, then click on this delete, and it goes. If I want to delete all these, I can just select all of them and click on delete, and the whole watch window just clears up. And I hope you'll be able to learn something from this video. Please, if you've been able to learn anything from this video, kindly like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.